Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Ford Explorer key battery. First, locate the small slot on your key fob. Gently insert a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Twist the screwdriver slightly to pry open the key fob casing. Be careful not to apply too much force as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you will see the old battery inside. This initial step is crucial for a smooth replacement. Now that your key fob is open, it's time to remove the old battery. You'll notice a small clip or holder securing the battery in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently lift the edge of the battery. It should pop out easily. Remember to observe which side is facing up, usually the positive side. This ensures you insert the new battery correctly. Take your time to avoid damaging the internal components. With the old battery out, grab your new CR2032 battery. Place it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. It should fit snugly into place. Once the new battery is in, align the two halves of your key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Give your key fob a quick test to ensure it's working perfectly. To wrap things up, always double-check that you're using the correct battery type for your Ford Explorer key fob, which is usually a CR2032. Having a spare battery on hand can save you from unexpected lockouts. This simple maintenance task ensures your key fob remains reliable. Also, for a fresh car interior, check out the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link to that and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.